At the car wash, sponge in my hand, soap and water, simple as it gets. New towels waiting, clean and folded right. Thankful for this blessing I possess. My hands on what's been given me, taking care of what I own. It's more than what it seems, a prayer in the routine, stewardship in the small things. I don't have to, I get to wash it clean, make it shine through. I don't have to, I get to every drop, every motion true. It ain't perfect, but I did it myself, and that's good enough for me. Same hands that twist my hair at night, same heart that knows the privilege here. Not a burden, no, it's something more, a gift to do it on my own. Every circle that I made, every blessing I can name,